upon intercepting the person, he could not give his proper identity. When searched, they found him carrying identity in two names with the same photograph, his own photograph. One in the name of Khurshid Alam, native of Paraganas, Kolkata, and another in the name of Mr. Shaik Imran, native of Kolkata. He also was carrying a number of bus tickets from West Bengal to Dhaka. Preliminary inquiries, investigation showed that he was using the fake ID card in the name of Shaik Imran, having booked flight tickets in that same name and had travelled. So we have registered offence of impersonation 419, using the fake ID as genuine and booking tickets under 471, and that's how he's cheating the airlines as well as security agencies. So in this short span of 4 days, he has travelled everywhere by flight, and moreover from Goa to Mumbai, Mumbai to Goa, and again going and coming by bus. All needs to be probed into. And so we have invoked most of the agencies related to security for investigation with us.